Manipurgi Chief Secy.Shillabra haina lamdam asigi meeyam marakta chamamnaba lennarure. Chief Secretary in charge Dr.Suresh Akhtarna Chief Secy.Oina leingak ki order thoklubadagi leingak manungda charangnaba thokhre.
State leingak ashigi manungda Mapu Pandabagum Touningba Tounarabra haibage asobo mami tare. Manipurgi Additional Chief Secretary Oiriva IAS Officer Dr.Suresh Akhtarna Chief Secretary Leina Chief Secretary.Oina order thoklubadagi leingak thokda pangliba singi manungda angakpa ama oina vatanatana meeyam marakta su chamamnaba ama thoklure. Order adu Chief Secretary masamana thenarapadagi pendaba phongthokpaga loinana Chief Minister gi nakong yonarapadagi anoba order thokhre. Thokdok asigi matangda Tom TV na phangba pawgi matung inadi ngasi leingak asigi Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms Personnel Division Order number 3/21/2004 MPSC/DP na Indian Constitution ge Article 316 ge makhada Manipur leingak na Retired Lieutenant General L Nishikanta Singbu Manipur Public Service Commission ge Chairman oina ngasi dagi hongna sahi taruk thabak punabagi order ama Chief Secretary in charge oina thokpuriba Additional Chief Secretary Dr.Suresh Akhtarna khujek piraga Chief Secretary Government of Manipur haina thadorokpa cherol adu social media da paksana sandorpadagi Chief Secretary masamak thengarpada natana miyoi kayana phone tortuna Manipurgi Chief Secretary Shillabra haina hangnarpadagi wafam ase leingak ki makok thongba singda yawnarpagaloinana wakalakpadagi wathok chawthorkhibani Manipurgi Chief Secretary Dr. Suresh Babu IAS hojik chuti da leibagaloinana mapanda leiri hairi Pawasina makha taribadi Additional Chief Secretary Dr.Suresh Akhtarna Chief Secretary ni haina masagi khujek piduna order thokluba adugi paw Chief Minister gi nakong yonarapatagi ngasi numidang japmanaba order amamuk Dr.Suresh Akhtar in charge Chief Secretary Government of Manipur haina mahangna khujek piraga cherol thoklakre thawong asimak leingak ki asoba thokdang pairiba singi chauna asoibani haina leibak miyamna haina rakli